Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be playing SKATER XL. Let's go. I was going to pause the video here until it loads. Okay guys, having some technical difficulties, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so guys, I'm pretty sure I figured this out. Yep, there we go. So I customized my character. I honestly like it. Alright, so I'm gonna do some tricks and stuff today. One of my favorite stunts, you can call it, I guess, is this thing right here. There's like a glitch you can do at the very end. Watch. It's sick. There's literally a glitch you can do. Okay. So, hold on. It's been like, probably a few weeks since I played. So. Okay, I suck at this. Yeah, guys, I got this. Watch right here. Watch closely right here. Oh, it didn't work this time. Yeah. Okay, it usually works. It didn't work that time. Right here. Watch, so see, yeah, there we go. You guys, it worked. Like, there's like a speech glitch there. Okay, that was sick. Did anyone just see that? Okay. Okay. Let's try it again. That was just some warm-up tricks. Damn it. Damn it, Clyde. I gave me a trick. Oh my god, I think that's the highest I can really went like that. Oh my god. Uh-huh. Doodle-ba-doo. Okay. If you hear someone talking in the background, yada yada, it's a constipated tree. Okay? It's the trees waving in the wind. Totally not my parents. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Yeah, that's not what I meant to do. Works. Okay, that was pretty sick. Oh, okay, that's a really nice gun. What color is this? That looks like, oh yeah, this is a Ram. It's a Kia Soul. This is a Ram van, I call it. See, another Kia Soul, another that one. And, this is a, Jasmine. This is a, Acura, I'm pretty sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me do the stunts again. Actually, there's something else I like. You see this like grind rail that goes around this corner? Pretty sick. Watch. Right. That one was just like a veil. Okay. This is like a really good board side Ryan keep it up stuff. I have fully done it before. You can say I've fully done it. Okay. So, last time I made it farther. Comment if you guys think I'm good. Like, comment like good if you guys think I'm good. I know some of my friends watch me, so they probably comment good. Hopefully there's some really nice people who watch me who will comment good. No, I don't think there is. I know there is. A lot of people like to watch me. I'm funny. Okay. I'm very funny. I'm funny, humorous, and I'm a likable guy. And might be moving soon. Huh. Yep. It's something I need to tell you guys. So my videos might be coming like later and delayed. So if I upload something, it might take like an hour to upload. And I upload it like immediately. It takes about like 12 minutes to usually edit my videos since they're not like an hour long. Some are long, but not like an hour. Like, I think my longest one was like a half an hour. I'm gonna do some more Forza videos, by the way, guys. I've been buying some new cars in Forza. And, big news from Forza, I bought a mansion, and with the mansion you get 10 super wheel spins for $10 million, and you can fast travel anywhere on the map. Literally. Okay, let's like another little stunt per se I can do. Yeah, my stunt right here. It's the baby little stunt. You watch this, guys? Right here? Oh, that was really close, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna do like a 360. I guess you can call it. What can I do? Something pretty. Okay, right here I'm gonna try to drop onto that staircase right there. So, damn it. So, oh, sorry for this activity. Yeah. Then I need to go farther back. Talking like right there. Oh my god, I found the sun. Think you guys see it? Right onto this right here. Actually, I have another. Alright, let's see if I can get inside. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Actually, I'm not gonna end the video yet. I need to do like a few more things. Just kidding, guys. There's nothing else I need to do. So, sorry. So, I'm not sorry. What is he doing? Okay, so, I think we're gonna end the video here, guys. Okay. It was fun. It's always fun, like playing honestly to me. So, you have courage to basically like, do this stuff. Good for you, courage. And, That's basically what I want to say. So, see you guys in the next video.